Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can reset your Instagram Explore page. By reset I mean, let's say you wanted to entirely convert your Instagram's Explore page. So let's say you get a lot of food related things on your Explore page. So I'm going to be showing you what Explore page is first. So to go to your Explore page in Instagram, click on the search icon. So this is your Explore page. So let's say you don't want to see the picture of like all this, like boys, girls, and like you don't want to see picture of dresses. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can reset your Explore page in Instagram. All right. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on, and remember this: if you reset your Explore page, it's not going to be resetted in a single day. You need to like do some actions for like a week or so, and Instagram's algorithm is slowly going to start changing it. So it's going to be a slow process, but it's going to work. So the first thing you need to do is click on search at the top, click on see all, click on clear all, click on clear all. What this is going to do is this is going to delete all your search history in Instagram. So this is the first step you need to do. And the second step you need to do is go on the post individually and do an action. So let's say I don't like to see post of girls. I can click on the post, click on the three dot at the top, click on see fewer posts like this. The Instagram algorithm is going to think I hate posts like this. So let's say I hate posts like this as well. I can click on the three dot, click on see fewer posts like this. The Instagram will, try to show me less of these kind of content. So let's say I don't like food. Okay, click on the three dot, click on see fewer posts. The Instagram will think I don't like food that much. So you can just do this action, and once you see something good, so let's say I like to see things like this, I can double tap and like on it, and Instagram algorithm is going to think, all right, I like this kind of content, so it'll start to promote these kind of content more. So let's say I don't like this, I can click three dot, see fewer posts. Let's say I like this, I can like it. Let's say I like this, I can like it. Just like this, Instagram will start showing me the things which I like most. So it's going to take a week in order for your Explore page to reset completely. It's going to be a slow process, so keep that in mind, all right? So hope you guys understand this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye-bye.